It's worth it.
How much did you buy?
I can't remember the price.
What do you use it for?
For the bags. For my bags. Like they saying they lie follow. Air fryer. No, I didn't take that. Okay, I think there are 50 pieces of this stuff.
You won't use.
Then I got this for rice. That old one, I want to retire it and put it in for onions, to be storing onions. Be my producer, sit there and be checking whether everything is in frame. Yeah, part on the floor. Then this one is supposed to be so this one's supposed to be hanger. You put it in your wardrobe and then you now put different hangers, stars, quotes on it. We have small space. That one. So which one? That one is I'm sorry, it's for storage. Then I got fridge cover. That's a comic attached to the mighty of clothes. Fridge cover. This product is made from imported environmental materials. You have to cover the fridge from dust, and it has pockets on the side. You cover the freezer like this, or the fridge, then it has pockets on the side that you can put stuff. It's worth it.
How much did you buy?
I can't remember the price. I have to check. I can't remember their prices anymore. But they are cute and handy stuff now, don't you think?
I mean, another way of saying it's useless.
It's what do you mean by it's useless? I'll use it now. I'll cover that place and now you see. Then this one is
something that makes sense. What do you use it for?
For the bags. For my bags. Like they saying they lie follow. I just put it on the wall now.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And hang my bags.
You have more than 10 bags, so is it 2 for each?
I don't have more than 10 bags. I have one black, one brown. Oh, 2 blacks, 1 brown. Oh, my tote bags too for what?
But you need to put nail on the wall.
Do we? Oh yeah, that's true. Then this is.
But sorry, you told me that you were buying wooden chalkboard and food. So how come I'm seeing other things?
I forgot to mention. No, do you know? To be honest, the major purchase was wooden chalkboard, and this is. So she has fancy items. So, babe, wait. Let me explain. So I'd already put this in my cart, like this one, and this one. There are stuff that I'll need. I need this one for the air fryer. And I need this for bag.
Can you put catfish in that thing?
Yes, I can. If I want to grill catfish, I can.
That's the only thing I care about.
And babe, this one for the freezer. Do you know I've been cleaning the top of that freezer? You know this place is prone to accumulating dust. That's why I bought.
For the top of the freezer?
Okay. And then this one and this are like the 2 major purchases. Do you want to do the honors of opening?
No, do it by yourself. It's fine. You're being a Proco doctor.
Actually, a Proco doctor influenced this purchase. So I'm not going to trash those plastic ones.
So what do you do with them?
I don't know. Do you think I should trash them?
I think you should trash that's
green. The green one, have you? And this one. Oh, you know, there's a service that you can engrave your name.
It's not important.
Then
It's checks that will need to do something. Eh? What is this?
the one that I told you before.
I can't remember.
Look at now. That I told you about before.
What does it look like? She's holding a gun.
It's not the gun. This is what it looks like. Video making kit. I told you about now.
What? You shall know that you bought a lot of kits.
That doesn't even that it's not functional. Do you want to help me? I can't find a manual. If there's no manual for you to read. There's no manual.
I expect that you use your initiative. Is there nothing written on the bottle?
That's why I married you. Take. Hey, man, no go break this thing. Well, it comes with the stand, the lights.
Oh, that mic.
This one has inbuilt mic. It has Bluetooth shutter. Oh, it has a mic too. This is what it looks like. Mic, Bluetooth, whatever. So I'm going to give this to the man that I married to set it up. So yeah, that's what I got from Lydzstore. Do you want to stop the video for me? Thank you very much.